Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake with um, Ubuntu. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen here. Share screen, and I want to show you how you can actually stake with Ubuntu. So now if you go on our website, you will see that there is now a section on top here that now says staking. And if I move this down a little bit, you're going to see there's an option now where you can connect wallet. This was not there before. So what do? So you go, click on connect wallet, select which wallet you have. I'm gonna connect via wallet connect. Gonna open up the app on my phone. Gonna connect this QR code there. It's gonna pop up. I'm gonna connect it. Ubuntu staking wants you to connect. Yes, connect. Now, what you then do is gotta scroll down to the bottom a little bit onto stake with Ubuntu. So you come here, so you've got an option of staking for 4 months, 8 months, 12 months, and 24 months. So when you stake for 4 months, you actually get 15%. When you stake for 8 months, that's 25%. 12 months, 35%. Then for 24 months, it's 50%. Now, there are a couple of important information here. So tokens are locked for the specific period and cannot be withdrawn early. So once you make a decision of how long you want to stake them for, if you choose 4 months, we're in January right now, which means you can only unstake and claim your you can only unstake and withdraw your rewards after the 4 months, right? So rewards are calculated based on your staked amount and the pool's APR, right? You can claim rewards at, oh, sorry, I made a mistake earlier on. So you can claim your rewards at any time without unstaking your tokens, right? But you cannot withdraw your amount that is staked until that timeline, that time period that you staked for has actually expired. Now you go down here. Higher lock periods offer better APR rates. Like I said, we got some 15, 25, 35, and you got 50. Right. Connect your wallet to start staking and any rewards. So I'm gonna do that now. Right. I'll go with 4 months. I've already put an amount there. So because you've already connected here, if you say max, I'm gonna show you your maximum. So just gonna 2, 3, okay. Then I'm gonna go approve. Now what that does is it's going to pop up in my Trust wallet because there's a small little fee that you got to pay. Just waiting for it to pop up on my app here. All right. In this case, it's like 22 cents. All right. I'm going to go approve. I'm going to just sign in, confirm, wait for the transaction to go through. See here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I think it has finished. Fresh. I'm the one who messed up. It's gone up a bit. And there you go. So there's my staked amount there. So total stake, 1 million Ubuntu, 1 million Ubuntu rewards, because nothing yet. So now what you can then do is go and ether scan. Holders. There you can see that's our staking contract. You can see, so originally there was 1 billion. I put in like a million. There is my million staked. That's it. That's done. Got my 1 million there, all staked. Now all I gotta do is wait for the rewards. So that is it. So you then come back, go there, you just disconnect your wallet, hit refresh if you want to. So at any time you can actually come down. So after the metrics, you can actually see the APRs and all of that and so on and so forth. Right. And you are good to go. Didn't disconnect my wallet there. There you go. You are good to go. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. That's